Hey everybody, it's Pamela Hale, Coldwell Banker Advantage. I'm here at the office still working. It's 7:30 at night. So I hope some of you are at home eating dinner and enjoying your family as I finish up. But trying to finish up this year good and strong. I've got 2 closings this week, had one last week, new listings, and working on a few more contracts. But I wanted to chat with you today about a couple conversations that I've had over the last couple of weeks, and I'm beginning to see a common theme. So I want these videos to be informative as well. And one of the things that I had a client call me wanting to list their lot, and it was a lot that they bought through an auction company, and it is a waterfront property. And I said, hey, do you have a boathouse permit? Do you have a septic permit? Do you have your survey? What do you have so I can do some research on this property? And he told me, he said, well, they told me that the Dominion looked at him and said everybody would be permitted and everybody can get a septic. And I'm like, okay, well, I need the paperwork on that. Well, I don't have any paperwork. They said. And so I had to bust his bubble a little bit and just say, well, they said doesn't give me the paperwork that I need to help you out. So, and then, I had another client that was asking me about, listings, and they said, well, they said, and I just, they said that I could get my boat through here. Well, who was your realtor? Well, I know it's a friend of mine that lives, blah, 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 blah. So, all of that to say, a good realtor will bring value to the table. A good realtor will help you know what you do need and don't need, and what really will happen and what won't happen. And I've got clients that want me to list their properties because now they can't get their boat through the culvert, or they can't build the garage on the lot that they wanted to build because they had a friend from outside the area that helped them and doesn't know all the rules and the regulations here. A good local realtor that knows the local market and all the rules and the regulations and zoning and restrictions, they're worth the value that they bring to the table. So do your due diligence. Make sure you get a good realtor that's experienced and can bring that to the table and help you navigate through this process. And not necessarily the first person that answers the phone. I know that if I go to a heart surgeon, I don't want the first heart surgeon that has an appointment available. I want a good one, and chances are a good one, I'm going to have to wait for an appointment to get on his schedule. So anyways, just a common theme of some conversations that I've had this week. So I thought I would just say, hey, take a few minutes. It's worth it. Buying a house or selling a house or buying land is a major investment. So make sure you've got somebody that's got some experience and knowledge and can help you through that process. Sometimes you may not, it might be a simple process, but you want that good agent that knows, just in case those bumps come in the road. And chances are they're doing stuff in the background that you just don't always know that they're doing to look after you and to make sure things get done right. So I felt so sorry for that guy because he just said, well, they said, and it was an auction company and there wasn't a licensed realtor involved. And then another client called and they had a realtor help them buy a property, but they're not from the area. They don't really practice in the area. They just wanted to use a friend and took the first person that answered the phone. So just, I don't know. I guess I'm very protective over my clients, and I'm just saying, this is my public service announcement. Just do your due diligence. It's worth it in the long run. And make sure you interview that agent. Make sure they're qualified and they can help you, guide you through the process. I promise it's worth it. And if it's a good realtor, they're worth waiting for. So anyways, just sitting here working at the office late at night and just hung up the phone with another one of those conversations. So, hey, Deborah. So I thought, hey, I need to talk to my peeps, and this is the best way I can communicate with y'all. Sometimes just get right in your face here live. So, hey, Kaylin, good to see you, sweetie. So, good advice. If there's anything I can do to help you, give me a call. I might not answer right away, but I will get to you. I promise. Leave me a message. Text me. Sometimes I respond text quicker because I'm with another client. I do try to give them my undivided attention, and I'll get back to you. So 252-673-5033. I hope that's good advice no matter where you are, because I know I've got clients and friends that watch me here, and they're all over the United States. Do your due diligence and protect yourselves. The real estate, buying your house, selling your house is one of the largest single investments most people will ever work. And you want to make sure that you've got somebody knowledgeable and experienced to help you through that process. And even if you're not here local and you're watching, and you're some of my friends back home in West Virginia, or my friends in South Carolina, or I've got friends in here from Colorado, call me. Let me see if I can do some interviewing for you and get you connected to a good realtor on the other end. That's what I do. I'm here to help. So have a good evening, y'all. Just wanted to share that because it's been heavy on my mind. So have a good evening. Love you guys. Thanks for watching and supporting me, y'all. It really means a lot to me. So have a good evening. Bye.